Hello students! In this video, we will explore how plants and animals get their food. It's like going on a treasure hunt in nature to see how different living things survive. Let's dive into the fascinating world of nutrition. Nutrition is how living things get their food, and there are two main ways they do this: autotrophic and heterotrophic. Now, let's explore autotrophic nutrition. This is when organisms make their own food using simple substances found in nature. Think of plants, algae, and some bacteria as nature's little chefs. They're called autotrophs or producers. The most common way they make food is through photosynthesis. In this process, plants harness sunlight, take in carbon dioxide from the air, and soak up water from the soil to create glucose, which is their food. They also release oxygen, which is super important for all of us. Think of plants as tiny factories. The leaves are like food factories that use sunlight to produce sugar. This happens mainly in the leaves, but it can also occur in other green parts. Next, we'll discover heterotrophic nutrition. This is when organisms can't make their own food and need to eat other living things or organic matter. These organisms are known as heterotrophs or consumers. Heterotrophs are of different types, including herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, and decomposers. Moving on, let's explore saprophytic nutrition. This is a type of heterotrophic nutrition where saprophytes feast on dead and decaying matter. They're the cleanup crew, breaking down organic material and releasing nutrients back into the environment. Next, there's parasitic nutrition. Here, a parasite takes nutrients from a living host, benefiting at the host's expense. Now, we'll take a closer look at autotrophic nutrition in plants. Plants perform photosynthesis to make their food. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, plants take in carbon dioxide and water. They convert these into glucose and oxygen, which they use to grow and thrive. Leaves are the main site for photosynthesis. They have tiny openings called stomata that allow carbon dioxide to enter. Roots absorb water and minerals, which travel through xylem vessels. The glucose produced during photosynthesis can be stored as starch. If you find starch in a leaf, it's a sign that photosynthesis has occurred. Importance. This process is crucial for plants as it helps them grow, release oxygen, and support life on Earth. Plants can also create proteins and fats, which are vital for their growth and repair. Let's discover how plants obtain nitrogen. Certain bacteria known as nitrogen-fixing bacteria convert nitrogen from the air into a form plants can use. While most plants are autotrophs, some have adapted to consume nutrients from other organisms. We're now going to explore parasitic plants. These plants depend on other organisms for nourishment. Total parasites, like the daughter plant, rely completely on their hosts for food. In contrast, partial parasites, such as mistletoe, still photosynthesize but need hosts for water and minerals. Some plants eat insects because they grow in nutrient-poor soil. Examples include Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, sundew, etc. Saprophytic plants, like mushrooms, feed on dead material, playing a crucial role in decomposition within ecosystems. Now, let's discover symbiotic nutrition. This is when certain plants form relationships with other organisms for mutual benefits. For example, nitrogen-fixing bacteria and plants work together. The plants provide a home for the bacteria, which, in turn, convert nitrogen into a usable form in exchange for nutrients. Finally, let's explore how we can investigate photosynthesis through experiments. The first experiment is the test for starch in leaves. After boiling a leaf and placing it in an iodine solution, a blue-black color indicates the presence of starch, showing that photosynthesis occurred. We can also explore the role of light in photosynthesis by placing one plant in light and another in darkness. Later, when we check for starch, the plant in light will show it, proving that light is essential for photosynthesis. And how about carbon dioxide? By giving one plant normal air and another air without carbon dioxide, we can test for starch again. The plant with normal air will show starch, demonstrating that carbon dioxide is a must-have for photosynthesis. Through these investigations, we gain a deeper understanding of just how important each element is for the process of photosynthesis. Now, here is a fun question for you. What is the main purpose of testing a leaf for starch in a photosynthesis experiment? Please share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 7 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.